So the question is, find the mean of the following distribution. Variable is given and its corresponding frequency is also given. So dear student, for this we will draw a small table also. Usually we represent variable by x. So suppose we draw a small table for it. So what we need, first we have to write the values of xi. So corresponding to xi, we have to write the values of frequency also. So suppose this is a column for frequency. Then we know that the mean of data is x bar, which is equal to summation of xi fi divided by summation of fi. So dear student, this will be column for xi fi, as we need the summation of xi fi. So if we get all the values of xi fi in a column, then we can easily get the value of summation of xi fi by just adding the numbers in the column. So xi, if xi is 1, xi's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the frequencies corresponding to these xi, for 1 the frequency is 2, then for 2 frequency is 3, then for 3 frequency is 7, then for 4 frequency is 1, then for 5 frequency is 3. So these are the values of xi and fi. Now we can find the value of xi fi also. So xi fi means just product of xi and fi. So if it is 1 fi, if xi is 1, fi is 2. So 1 into 2 will be 2. Then 2 into 3, it is 6. 3 into 7, it is 21. 4 into 1, it is 4. 5 into 3, it is 15. So these are the corresponding xi fi values for this data. Now what we have to find? We have to find summation of xi fi and also summation of fi. So if we add all the values of fi, column, then it will be summation of fi. So it is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. So summation of fi is 16. Similarly, we can find the value of summation of xi fi also. If we add all the values of xi fi table, it will be summation xi fi. So 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 21, 29, plus 4, 33, plus 15, 48. So this is the value of summation of xi fi, and dear student, this is our complete table which represent the values of xi fi, summation of xi fi, also summation of fi. If we put these values in the formula, then x bar will be, it is summation of xi fi, which we get as 48. So 48 divided by summation of fi, which is 16. So 48 divided by 16, which is equal to 3. So mean for this given data is 3, which is there in option A. So option A is correct for this question.